Do you have digestive issues such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, food intolerances and sensitivities, fatigue and lack of energy, skin problems like acne, eczema, and rashes, mood swings, anxiety and depression, autoimmune conditions, frequent infections and weakened immune system? The cause of these symptoms may be found in your gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a powerhouse of health, influencing everything from digestion to mood. This intricate community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, resides in the digestive tract and significantly influences digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is crucial for optimal functioning, but when this balance is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis can occur, leading to a host of health issues. But don't worry, we've got the secrets to restore your gut health and get you back on track. What causes dysbiosis? First of all, poor diet. Processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, and lack of fiber. While antibiotics are essential for fighting bacterial infections, they can also kill beneficial bacteria in the gut. Stress can negatively impact gut health by altering the gut microbiota composition and reducing the diversity of beneficial bacteria. Gastrointestinal infections caused by harmful bacteria, viruses, or parasites. Poor sleep quality and insufficient sleep. High alcohol consumption and exposure to pollutants, toxins, and chemicals can also disrupt the gut microbiota balance. Fortunately, restoring your gut health may be simpler than you think. Start with your diet. Eat fiber-rich foods and cut down on sugars and processed stuff. Boost your consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Add fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso to your diet. Choose healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Consider taking probiotic supplements that contain beneficial bacteria strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Include prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and artichokes in your diet to nourish beneficial bacteria. Supplements such as L-glutamine and zinc carnosine may be beneficial to the microbiome. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health and gut balance. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining healthy digestion and supporting the gut microbiota. By making these changes, you can restore your gut's balance and boost your well-being. Feeling better already? Thanks for watching. Your gut will thank you.